It's really in the unforeseen events that happen to you wherein you need your family to be secured and protected. Hi everyone, this is Charm again from Ready2Adult Philippines, a channel about personal finance, entrepreneurship, and adulting how-tos. I've talked a lot about life insurance in this channel, like here, and I shared my insurance coverages here. But when it comes to insurance, there's more than just life insurance. There's also health insurance, non-life insurance like for your property or for your car, and some specific insurances that you have to consider whether you need them or not. I mentioned in one of my previous videos that you can buy an insurance from Shopee or Lazada, but the choices are quite limited because of course that's not really what they're meant for. So when I saw Kwik Insure in one of those Instagram ads, I knew that I wanted to review it for you guys. And it's amazing because they reached out to me to sponsor this video, but they gave me full control of the content and give an honest and full review of their platform. It's amazing how I can get rewarded just for sharing information that I want to share to you guys anyways. So if you want to know my full opinion on Kwik Insure and you're interested in their platform, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I want to start off by giving you a data from the Insurance Commission, and that's saying that our insurance penetration or the total premium sold over GDP of the Philippines is very low compared to the global average. We are at 1.69% as compared to the 6.09% for the global average. So with that said, that's why I really want to educate people more why insurances are important, not just life but also non-life insurances. Okay, so what is Kwik Insure? It's basically an online insurance marketplace. It's very simple, diba? And it's where you can browse, compare, choose, and buy insurance from different insurance providers without having to go through a personal agent because they already serve as an insurance brokerage. So the insurance products that they're selling here is the same price as when you go directly into a company. But most of the companies kasi doesn't have an online platform where you can buy these insurances. And if it's the same price, it's a great platform to choose Kwik Insure so that you have more options then. So let's talk about the different products that they have right now. They have vehicle insurance, health insurance, accident insurance, and specific insurances like for COVID or for dengue. And they have products that are coming soon like life insurance, travel insurance, and property insurance as well. So what are some top features that Kwik Insure provides? They have reliable insurance partners. Currently, at the time of this filming, they have 17 partner companies and they're looking to have more with over 100 insurance products in the platform. Insurance partners include Sun Life, Grepa, InLife, Consulta MD, PhilCare, Malayan Insurance, Mapfire Insurance, and many more. So this is where the compare feature comes in because you can compare different insurance policies not just from the same company but across different companies as well. They have a feature called Quick Assistant Tool wherein they basically ask you a few questions on what type of insurance you need and they'll put some products in front of you wherein you can review them and compare them with similar products. They have instant approval as long as you meet the requirements, which we'll be talking about later on. But yeah, instant approval kasi quick nga, diba? So, another feature is that they have a dedicated claim assistance team wherein if you need to claim from your insurance policies, then you can chat their customer service and they will help you with the process because of course, different companies have similar but maybe a little bit of a different process, so they will help you out with that. A new feature that they have is that OFWs can buy insurance for their loved ones in the Philippines, but the insured needs to be a resident and residing currently in the Philippines. So we still really can't buy insurances for people abroad. Okay, so before we move on to the things that I don't like about the platform or I feel like the limitations of the platform, please click like on this video if you found it informative so far. Yeah, that's all I ask. Like, click like. Yeah. Okay. Moving on, so the limitations of the platform. Like I said before, they still don't have life insurance, and I feel like that's usually the first thing that people get, but also they want to emphasize that accident insurance are as important because it's really in the unforeseen events that happen to you wherein you need your family to be secured and protected. And also their property and travel insurance is also not yet available. There's no exact time frame yet on when this will be available. So if you are looking for those, they are currently not available in the platform just yet. Another is that you don't have your insurance agent or financial advisor. If you're the type of person who really wants to have that in place, of course, it's gonna cost a little bit more, but if you want that personal relationship, they do have a customer service, but it's not really gonna be the same. Hindi sila tutok na tutok sa'yo and your policy. So if you see that as a con, then that's also one of the limitations in the website. Okay, now we've talked about some key features and the things that they don't have yet in the website. I'm gonna walk you through buying an insurance policy. So I have my phone here and I'm actually planning to buy my mom a COVID protection. So you can actually buy insurance policies for other people, and that's what I'm gonna do now, and I'm gonna show you guys. So my mom didn't get vaccinated yet. She was delayed even though she's a senior citizen. So that's why I want to buy her an insurance policy for that. So I'm just gonna move here so that I can put a screen recording here. So here in the homepage, you just click on what type of insurance you need. So I'll go to COVID-19. Right now, they have one that is dedicated for COVID-19, and it's Malayan's Vital Cover. And there are a few plan options wherein you are covered for 1 year up to 100,000, 1 year for 200,000, 1 year of 300,000, 6 months of 25,000, and 6 months of 12,500. So the price also differs, and the price may vary on the age. So let me click on Plan C, which is 1 year coverage up to 300,000 pesos. The price starts at 1,470 pesos. So you can scroll down to see the coverage of this policy. It says that it's covered up to 300,000 for loss of life, cash assistance due to COVID-19. So age is from 1 to 75 years old. So pasok yung mom ko who is 65 years old. And you can download the brochure. So this is their brochure. It has the table of benefits and it details what the coverage is. So that's here in the brochure. So I've read that already. And it shows you here the breakdown. So for accidental death, it's 300,000. Medical reimbursement due to accident, it's 37,500. Daily hospital income due to COVID-19, maximum of 14 days is 1 to 50 per day. And loss of life cash assistance due to COVID-19 is 300,000. And loss of life cash assistance due to dengue or chikungunya for 150,000 pesos. I had to Google how to pronounce that. So, and they have a few important notes here about the products wherein you can only purchase this product once. And for parents, if you want to buy for your children, you can use your valid government ID. And that brings me to the requirements. They only require a valid government ID and for you to be within the eligible age of the policy. Okay, so I've reviewed this already, so I'll click on Get This Package, and it reminds you again that you need a valid government ID, and the ID should not be expired. Just prepare that because they will be asking for your ID number. So you say continue, and you will be asked, who do you wish to insure? Myself, my child, my spouse, my parent, or my siblings. So outside relatives are not really in the options anymore. It's only for immediate family. So I'll say my parent because I'm insuring my mom. It has principal information that you need to fill up. So what government ID I'll be putting in her passport, the ID number, the name, the date of birth, the relationship, to me or the Kwik Insure. So she's my parent, and the home address, the gender, civil status, employer, and business occupation. So sa employer or business name, since my mom is retired, I just put NA, and for the occupation, there is an option for retired. Okay, so you just press continue. And in the next page, you just have to put in your beneficiary, the full name, your relationship with them, and the date of birth. And you press continue, you review, and make sure that everything is correct. So when you click continue, you will be directed to a page wherein you can review your policy. So it says the product information. Yes, the provider is Malayan Insurance Company. The product name is Vital Cover COVID-19 Cash Assistance Benefit, and the plan is Plan C. So just make sure that you bought the right policy, and it will show you again the principal information so that you can double check if there's no misspelling or the numbers are correct. And yeah, you can view the details and they will give you a summary. So like I said, my mom is 65 years old and the basic premium is 1960.78 instead of the 1470. That's the lowest premium. And the documentary stamp tax is 50 pesos. The VAT or premium tax is 235.29. The local government tax 3.92, which totals to the gross premium, which is 2,250 pesos. For me, not bad talaga yung price. So you can even use a referral code. I have a referral code right here. Of course, it's Ready2Adult Ph. You can use that. And meron silang promo ata ngayon na for a minimum of 1,000 peso policy, you can get 100 pesos rebate in the form of Sodexo gift certificate. So the Sodexo, you can use it for groceries, you can use it for Shopee, Lazada. They have a lot of merchants. I'll just put some here, and I'll also link their merchants list down below. So you can select a payment method. They have a lot of payment methods from 7-Eleven, BankNet, BDO online bills payment, BPI direct payment, Cebuana coins, credit card or debit card, which is what I'm using. But they have more. They have EasyPay, ExpressPay, GCash, SM Payment, True Money. I'll put the entire list here so that you guys can see. But yeah, ang dami nilang options. And I'll just pay it right now. I'll just fast forward this part. Okay. Okay, so I already paid for it and it's telling me that my transaction was successful. So thank you for your payment, and they have a merchant reference number, Paynamics reference number, and the transaction amount. So I just screenshot that for my safekeeping. So yeah, I'll just press continue and your order is complete. Thank you for purchasing Vital Cover, and the acknowledgement receipt and the e-policy from Malayan Company. So Malayan will be the one sending me the e-policy, will be emailed within 2 business days. Okay, so yeah, I received already the acknowledgement receipt, and I assume that the e-policy will come soon as well. I'll put that also in the screen if I'm able to share that. But yeah, it was that easy. It took me less than 5 minutes probably. So you saw how fast it was. I'll go back to home and we're done. So just take note that in some payment methods, there might be some transaction fees. But for me, for using my credit card, I didn't have any transaction fees. So that's good. So they're a fairly new platform, and ang dami pa nilang mga promos. And one promo is yung 100 pesos for 1,000 peso na policy, which I already got. I already got the email that I have my Sodexo gift certificate. Another promo is that you can get up to 2,000 pesos worth of Sodexo gift certificate when you get your car insurance purchase, which if you're a car owner, you have to renew your insurance every year. So if you want to do that here, if they're affiliated with the insurance company that you currently have, then check out Kwik Insure for that as well. Another is that they have an affiliate program, which I'll post again my referral code down below and also here. But that basically means that you can also get paid and you can also refer other people who might need insurances, which, you know, as I mentioned in my other videos, almost everyone needs insurance policies. It just depends on what insurance policies they need. So you can be rewarded just by encouraging your loved ones and relatives and friends to get insured as well. So amazing platform. For me, it's really a win, win, and win. Imagine as a client, you can get insured easily for an affiliate, you can get rewarded. And for the company as well, they also get commissions from these insurance companies. It's a really great platform, to be honest. It's hard for me to look for anything negative about them other than the things that I mentioned earlier. But yeah, I'm loving this platform. I really hope that they have more products that are available for the Filipinos, and I hope that they get the life insurance soon. But yeah, overall, I would rate this a 9 out of 10. I don't know what the rating is based on, but that's what I'm rating it. And yeah, don't forget to check out the links down below so that you can study your insurance policies first before buying them. And I hope that you appreciate this honest review and walkthrough video. If you want me to review more apps, investment products, and services, comment them down below so that I get to review them for you guys. It would take me a couple of weeks to months to really review a product. So, baka matagalan. But if you guys can wait, then for sure, comment them down below. And if you appreciate this video, please take the time to click the like button down below. It really helps out this channel a lot. And if you haven't already, subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload another video. And I know that adulting is already hard, but I'm glad that there are platforms like this and I get to make videos like these for you guys. This is Charm again from Ready2Adult Philippines, and I will see you on my next video. Some questions in... Sorry for that.
Chikungunya.
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 Okay, noted.